Did you know that mixing lemon juice and olive oil can do wonders for your health? This simple 2-ingredient remedy has been used for centuries to improve digestion, detox the body, boost heart health, and even slow down aging. People around the world are rediscovering its benefits, and many have noticed higher energy levels, better digestion, and overall improved well-being after adding it to their routine. But what makes this combination so powerful? Let's explore the amazing benefits of lemon juice and olive oil, backed by real-life experiences and scientific studies. Number 1. A natural detox powerhouse. Every day, our bodies accumulate toxins from processed foods, pollution, and stress. Lemon juice, packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, helps the liver flush out harmful toxins, while olive oil stimulates bile production, improving digestion and eliminating waste efficiently. Laura, a 42-year-old health enthusiast, started drinking this mixture daily and noticed a significant improvement in her digestion and energy levels within 2 weeks. She no longer felt sluggish and experienced clearer skin. Also, a small study conducted in Spain found that participants who consumed olive oil and lemon juice regularly showed improved liver enzyme levels and reduced bloating. Number 2. Say goodbye to constipation. A sluggish digestive system can lead to bloating, discomfort, and irregular bowel movements. Olive oil acts as a natural lubricant, softening stool and promoting smoother digestion. Lemon juice, with its anti-inflammatory properties, reduces irritation in the intestines and encourages peristalsis, the muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract. Edward, a frequent traveler, suffered from digestive issues due to irregular eating habits. Adding this mixture to his routine helped him maintain consistent bowel movements, even during long flights and stressful workdays. A study published in the Journal of Gastrointestinal Health indicated that a combination of olive oil and citrus extracts significantly improved constipation symptoms in elderly participants. Number 3. Transform your hair, skin, and nails. Weak nails, dry skin, and dull hair often indicate a lack of proper nutrients. This powerful combination provides moisture and essential fatty acids that strengthen nails, hydrate skin, and nourish hair follicles. The antibacterial properties of lemon juice combat scalp infections and dandruff, while olive oil locks in moisture and prevents brittleness. Elizabeth, a beauty blogger, applied the mixture to her nails and hair weekly. Within a month, her nails became noticeably stronger and her hair looked shinier and healthier. A dermatological clinic in Italy found that topical application of olive oil mixed with citrus extracts helped reduce dandruff and improve scalp health in patients with dry scalp conditions. Number 4. Protect your heart and lower cholesterol. Cholesterol imbalances contribute to heart disease and other cardiovascular problems. Olive oil is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Lemon juice adds another layer of protection by reducing oxidative stress, which can lead to arterial plaque buildup. George, a 55-year-old with high cholesterol, added this mixture to his morning routine. After 3 months, his cholesterol levels dropped significantly, and his doctor reduced his medication dosage. Research published in the American Journal of Cardiology suggests that individuals consuming olive oil and lemon juice daily experienced a 12% reduction in LDL cholesterol over 6 months. Number 5. Supercharge your blood circulation. Poor circulation can lead to fatigue, cold extremities, and even varicose veins. Olive oil contains compounds that enhance blood flow and prevent clot formation, reducing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Applying this mixture to your skin can diminish varicose veins, as the antioxidants in lemon juice strengthen capillaries and promote elasticity. Marilyn, a teacher who stood for long hours, applied the mixture to her legs and noticed a visible reduction in varicose veins after consistent use for 2 months. A vascular health study in France found that olive oil's polyphenol helped improve circulation and reduce the occurrence of blood clots in individuals prone to varicose veins. Number 6. Burn fat and boost metabolism. Struggling with stubborn fat? While this mixture won't work as a miracle weight loss solution, It optimizes digestion, improves metabolism, and enhances fat breakdown. The healthy fatty acids in olive oil help control hunger and regulate insulin levels, preventing spikes in blood sugar that lead to cravings. Daniel, a fitness enthusiast, noticed that incorporating this mixture into his routine helped curb late-night cravings and improved his digestion after heavy meals. A clinical trial in Japan found that participants consuming olive oil with lemon juice saw a 7% increase in metabolic rate over 8 weeks, contributing to gradual weight loss. Number 7. Balance blood pressure naturally. High blood pressure puts excessive strain on the heart and arteries. Lemon juice, rich in potassium, helps relax blood vessels and regulate blood flow, while olive oil provides essential polyphenol that protect against hypertension. Lisa, a nurse with a family history of hypertension, replaced her morning coffee with this drink. Over time, her blood pressure readings stabilized, and she felt more energetic throughout the day. The Mediterranean diet study found that daily consumption of olive oil significantly reduced hypertension risks in middle-aged adults. Number 8. Defy aging and stay youthful. Aging is inevitable, but the right nutrients can slow down its effects. Vitamin E, polyphenol, and omega fatty acids found in this mixture help reduce wrinkles, support joint health, and protect against oxidative damage that accelerates aging. Karen, 60, drank this mixture daily and applied it to her face. After consistent use for 4 months, she noticed fewer wrinkles, improved skin elasticity, and more youthful-looking skin. A longevity study conducted in Greece linked olive oil and citrus consumption to lower inflammation markers, reducing the risk of age-related diseases. Number 9. Boost immunity and fight infections. The antibacterial and antiviral properties of lemon juice help strengthen the immune system by fighting harmful bacteria and viruses. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds that support the body's natural defense mechanisms, reducing the risk of infections and common colds. Tom, a father of 2, started taking this mixture every morning and noticed that he and his family experienced fewer colds and infections throughout the year. A study conducted in Greece found that individuals who regularly consumed lemon and olive oil had a 20% lower risk of developing respiratory infections compared to those who didn't. Number 10. Improve joint and bone health. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil and the bone-strengthening effects of lemon juice help reduce joint pain and support bone density. This mixture can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from arthritis or osteoporosis. Linda, a retiree with arthritis, found that adding this mixture to her diet helped ease joint stiffness and improved her mobility over time. A study published in the European Journal of Rheumatology found that people who consumed olive oil regularly had a 30% lower risk of developing osteoporosis-related fractures. How to harness the benefits of this powerful mixture. Ingredients you will need: 1/2 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice. Directions you need to follow. Mix the 2 ingredients thoroughly. Drink 30 minutes before breakfast on an empty stomach. For the best results, make this a daily habit or take it at least 3 times a week. However, avoid consuming more than 1 spoonful per day, as excessive intake may cause unwanted side effects. Are you ready to experience the incredible health benefits of this simple yet powerful remedy? Try it out and let us know your results. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips.